Hello friends, this is Raj Sastri from Raj Option Trading. Today is February 16, 2022. Let's do a quick market update, look at top ETFs by volume, and then look at beaten down stocks with positive sales growth and positive net margin. So with that, let's jump in and get started. Look, from a market perspective, we got up and down market as usual. uh, we got Dow Jones Industrial Average look big down here, and then it went higher, and now it's struggling where to go. I think there'll be a leg down here. We got to be careful. There is issue with Russia, and there is inflation fear. So I can see the market coming down and touching the lows right here. It might even go further down somewhere here. So we got to be careful here. It's going to retest and then probably make its way higher. And similar situation in S&P 500. Look big down here, and it's also down in the futures market. So you can expect a little bit downturn tomorrow. It will be pulled back tomorrow. Then we got Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also same pattern here. It's also opening to be a little bit down in the futures market, and even Russell 2000 is also weak, as you can see here. But if you're a long-term investor, look, it's a nice higher high here. It's a great buying opportunity in all these major indices here. I think we'll do very well for the long run. In the short run, there will be some trouble here. We'll be retesting the lows, and then we'll make our way higher. So with that, let's jump in and look at the top ETFs. From an ETF perspective, look, we got a top ETF here, TQQQ. It's a triple 3x bull ETF from QQQ here. It's down today as usual because market came down big time. Folks are scooping up 3x bull ETF TQQQ. I think it's a good one to slowly start buying. Market might go tomorrow again, but I think it's a good one to buy. I've been accumulating slowly so that way I can have a nice position. I'm not planning to keep it for long term, but at least for a short while, maybe a couple of days, then you can sell it off. Then you got S&P 500. Look, S&P 500 slightly higher, not too much, but down big time. It's still close to 52-week high, as you can see here. So it's not in a correction territory yet, but look, QQQ, it's in a correction territory right now, down 12%. And look at the IV percentile, very high. That tells you even the big ETFs like QQQ and even SPY, they're so volatile. It's good to sell some premium and sell some put options way underneath and make some money that way. Look, we got VIX here. VIX is down here. Market went slightly higher. That's why, because S&P 500 went slightly higher, VIX is down. You could even buy some VIX slowly at these levels if you're up to it. It's a good one to buy, but don't hold it for long term. If the market drops off, you could sell the VIX and make some money that way. So with that, let's jump in and look at beaten down stocks. So what we'll do is we'll look at beaten down stocks with a positive cash flow and positive net margin and volume more than 1 million shares traded and cash more than $100 million dollars. So with that, let's jump in. So as you see here, we got a few companies that fit the bill here. At top of the list, we got Massimo. Massimo is a medical device company, as many of you know here, down big time today. They had a positive earnings announcement, which is great. But this company is also buying another company, which is into consumer electronics. I think that's why stock came down. It's buying Sound United, which is a private company, but that's not impressing the Wall Street, mainly because they are into consumer electronic. Massimo is into medical device. So investor did not see the matchmaking here. That's why stock got sold off big time. So if you're a contrarian, you could buy some of this stock here, but be careful. Investor did not like it. Don't jump in. Let it settle down for a day or two. Then you can buy. So if it is buying another medical device company, I say go buy this company. but it's buying a consumer electronic company, which they can make a case they will get some outlet into consumer electronics. But Wall Street is not impressed. I would hold off on buying it right away, wait for it to cool off. Then we got Facebook or Meta. Look, Facebook is down. Looks like even Google is planning to do some privacy, just like what Apple did. So that's why Facebook is in trouble here. It's down 2%. I say it's a good one to slowly start buying. Facebook will figure out a way to really retain the advertisement market. It's a good one to buy slowly. And then we got IAA here. This is also down, as you can see here. This one could be okay to slowly start buying. I'm not too much into this company, mainly because very low score here. Look, score is just 24. I would rather go after better companies with a little more higher score. PayPal is a good one here. You could buy some PayPal slowly. It's going down as usual. But I say if you want to buy one share, two share at a time, it's a good one to accumulate. These guys will come back nicely. Then you got Shopify. Shopify, it announced the earnings. The problem is folks are expecting even more growth from this company. I think their future forecast was tad lower. That's why, as you can see here, stock is down in the regular market. So it's a good one to buy long term. This will do very well. Short term, there will be some temporary weakness. I would probably wait for a day or two, then slowly start buying Shopify here. And then you got a few more. Air Product Partner is one of my favorite stock here. You could buy this for long term. Look, it's very good here. Nice overall score. Even the for future, it's got nice expectations for EPS growth as well as revenue growth. Look, stock price is 245. Target price is 314. So it's a good, good estimation for the future. Next 12 months, it's a great. Look, Shopify also same story. Currently, it's at 744, but 12-month target price is 1,489. That's almost double the current price. That's a good one to buy slowly. I also like Charles River. It's a great company. Could buy some Charles River. Look, stock is down big time here. Low RSI. It's a good one to slowly buying here. And I got a few more. I love Adobe. Texas Instruments is also one of my favorite. You could buy this company also here. Beaten down completely here. And then you got Akamai Technologies. This is a good one to buy when it drops off like this. I would be a buyer of Akamai here and go from there. So with that, let's jump in, look at one more screen here. We got a few more names here. We got SYNH here. This also down, as you can see here. RSI is 31. Look at the overall score. Nice overall score. Look at the Piotrowski F score 8, which is great. Books are improving. And look, future growth is very good for this company, both from EPS as well as revenue perspective. I would be buying this company here at these levels and go from there. Look, RSI is very low. That tells you it's beaten down here. And then you got FedEx. FedEx, lost back in 2020. This company did great. Look, it's coming down right now. Very, very, very low RSI here. You could buy some FedEx here and go from there. And I got a few more. Honeywell is one of my favorite. This company is also beaten down big time here. You could buy Honeywell also here. The problem with Honeywell, as you can see here, is the quick ratio is just one. They got short-term liquidity. It's just sufficient. I want this to be much higher, maybe more than 1.5 or more than 2. They're just barely making it, so I would probably skip that one and go after a stock like INCY, which is a better play here. I think this is a good one to buy for the long run. And then got a few more, as you see here. Couple them. Keep watching the RSI levels. I like the ones with a little more lower RSI. Fastly, this is not Fastly, is FAST here. This one also, as you can see here, it's got okay score, not great score. You could look at that one. I would rather go after better companies like Qualcomm as an example. It's a good one to buy here. You could slowly buy some Qualcomm. Great overall score here. And we got SPGI, one of my favorite. We could buy this company also. It's a financial data type company here. Look, it's also beaten down big time. You could buy SPGI. You will do great with this company. And then you got a few more, as you can see here. Look, Pfizer is down big time. You could buy some Pfizer here. And UPS is it's okay, not beaten down yet, but it's a good company to slowly buy. It's a good one here. And then you got Vertex, which is one of my favorite here. You could buy some Vertex here. Look, overall score is 100 out of 100. It's a great one to buy. And RSI is middle of the road. You could buy some Vertex here. And even AMN Health, it's a good one here. You could buy this one also. Right now, stock is beaten down with the RSI 46 here. You could buy some AMN here and go from there. So with that, we'll wrap it up here. Thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.